Want to learn how to target specific audiences with AdCreative AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this powerful tool can help you sharpen your ad campaigns and drive better results. First off, AdCreative AI makes audience targeting easier than ever by utilizing AI-driven insights to optimize your ads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this platform uses machine learning to predict what resonates best with different audience segments. With AdCreative AI, you don't just create ads, you create ads that perform. To begin, the platform allows you to create multiple variations of an ad with ease. Rather than wasting time manually adjusting designs and copy, AdCreative AI analyzes your audience's behaviors and preferences to automatically suggest elements that will maximize engagement. This helps you target specific groups more effectively without all the guesswork. It's like having an expert in your corner, optimizing your ads as you go. But how do you target these specific audiences with AdCreative AI? It's pretty straightforward. Once you upload your data and input key campaign information, the software starts working its magic. The AI digs into your audience's preferences, behaviors, and demographics, creating tailored ad creatives that are aligned with what that audience is most likely to engage with. This personalized approach ensures you're not wasting ad spend on people who won't convert. What makes AdCreative AI even more powerful is its ability to analyze past campaigns and use that data to predict the best strategies for future ones. It takes all that historical information, like which ad creatives drove the most conversions, and uses it to guide future ad development. So, whether you're targeting a broad or very specific audience, you can rest assured your ads will be fine-tuned for maximum impact. The platform also integrates with all the major ad networks, so no matter where your target audience is, whether on Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads, your campaigns will have the precision they need to succeed. It's like having a one-stop shop for audience targeting and ad creation. If you're new to digital marketing, don't worry. The interface is simple and user-friendly. AdCreative AI makes it incredibly easy for anyone to dive in and start creating highly targeted campaigns, no matter your skill level. You can test and experiment with different creatives to see what works best for your specific audience and adjust as needed. But here's the real game changer. With AdCreative AI, you can save hours of work and reduce costs by optimizing your targeting and creatives in real time. Rather than managing everything manually, the software's AI constantly refines your ad creatives based on audience behavior, helping you stay ahead of the curve and reach the right people faster. Now, if you're interested in trying AdCreative AI for yourself, I've got some great news. You can get started with the software completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll also unlock some exclusive bonuses that will help you get even more value out of this tool. That means no commitment, just pure optimization for your ads. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing how you can access an extended free trial so you can dive deeper into the software and really test its capabilities. This is the perfect opportunity to level up your digital marketing efforts. So if you're ready to boost your ad performance and target specific audiences like never before, click that first link and give AdCreative AI a try. Don't miss out on this chance to make your ads smarter and more efficient.